Well, I haven't really posted in a while. I took a whole bunch of video from Toronto. My GoPro's full of lobster and stuff too. Oh, just haven't edited much of it. Spring's here. I guess that's what's been going on. Been a little busy doing stuff. Been roping pots. Trying to get those done before summer comes so I don't have to do it like in the heat of summer when I might want to be on vacation. I've got 100 pots done, new pots done. That's 100 less I gotta do after the season. Been lobstering. They didn't really crawl yesterday, so let them soak today, go at them tomorrow. Easter weekend. Haven't seen Willow, it seems like forever, but it hasn't been that long. All that fun stuff, I guess. Just thought I would update. After I say I'm going to get on this YouTube stuff, I realize how not so easy it is to keep posting all the time and try to put out good content and so on and so forth. But I'm just going to keep posting. I don't have Facebook, so just keep posting and doing that kind of thing. I like putting videos on there. You never know what might happen. Might just strike it big someday. Might be famous, right? I suppose should get at her, pitter patter.